A few people have asked about what the next game mode will be for the Faerie Court event, so I had a look back at the Dev State of Modes article, where it states, "Unfortunately, because we're all working so hard to get the new mode out to you, we need to pause support for the existing rotating modes. ARURF, ARURF, Spellbook, one for all. This means that you won't see another rotating mode until this summer when we release the new mode. We know it's a bummer, but we will be bringing them back later this year once we've shipped the 2v2v2v2v2v2 mode." They also clarify again, "To be clear, you will see these modes come back later this year, but perhaps more in the later half of the year. So until the new mode comes out, you'll have to stick to the main modes for now. Thanks for watching, see you next time."